So great. Do it. Should film me doing it real quick.
You have anywhere to put it?
I'll be going hard on everybody. I'm like, and I'll be running away. Yeah. I'll just be like,
Oh.
Ooh, weights. Kettlebell weights. Shake weights. Do you know what shake weights for? Practice masturbation.
I know.
That's what it is.
It's like.
And it's for girls, like to practice ejaculation on a guy.
It's a close call to something. You should just bend over. You should just stand there. Look at my bench, but oh, my shoe. Still recording.
Because you're not supposed to like.
Sure.
Oh, dude.
Oh, my bad.
Alright, my time. Hold on.
Here somewhere.
Hold it like this. I was holding like this. Like straight up. Like nah.
Like
that.
Oh,
So I can be like.
Doesn't
Doesn't look like I'm just like underneath.